Today it is Tuesday and we're back with uni and everything. So that means uni is back on like another 7 to 8 weeks. But basically I'm gonna get some studying done at the library and I'm gonna try and finish my mid-semester admin assignment, and that's due tomorrow at 2 p.m. I think I've done most of it. I just want to check everything and make sure it's alright because I feel like I'm not too confident with what I'm writing. But yeah, that's basically the plan today. And this is my outfit. Just normal blouse with a skirt. I'm gonna put my boots on too. I haven't worn boots in such a long time. It's so messy. Gotta eat. I have nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Nuggets. I finished eating. I'm done. But my hands are dirty. Those are my shoes. Aren't they like, whoa, cool. I think this is too big. I don't know if I should get this. It's like $30. I have a lot of jackets already. I feel like this blue doesn't look that stylish, so I might just put off from getting it. It's like a cute pink. Like it's kind of pink, but it looks nude compared to like this. This is what I've been looking for. Mermaid skirts. Hello, today it's Wednesday and it's around like 12 p.m. around there. Anyways, I'm gonna try and head off now because I have classes at 3 p.m. and I'm not too sure if my buses will come, because sometimes my buses just completely disappear and they never come at all. So I'm just gonna leave early, make sure I'm on time for class. But I basically finished my admin assignment like last night at 3 a.m. and I'm so tired. Like, I don't know if I did my assignment very well because I had to reference and everything, and I had to add referencing last night because I didn't know I had to reference. So I started from the beginning to reference again. And also because I'm really tired, I'm not wearing that much makeup. I'm just wearing eyebrows, mascara and concealer and lipstick and whatnot. If I didn't wear eyelashes, I guarantee you would have thought I was like a guy. I look like a guy. If it weren't for the eyelashes, perhaps. I don't know, today's a really tomboyish look. This is my outfit for today. It's really just basic. I have like another more thin sweater and then a t-shirt because I was quite cold this morning. I ordered this off AliExpress and I never put it in the thing, but it's like a bulky kurumi and I'll put that on my bag. Doesn't it look so funny? It looks like a bulky ass. Like, what the? I wish that was me, but nah, I could never. I got it up. I already packed everything, my laptop, a book, the charger. I'm not bringing my pens or anything. I have this really cheap perfume and I always forget to spray perfume and whatnot. It's like body spray, but it has like the ocean smell, and I really like ocean smells. I'm not a fan of really strong smells. Like if I smelled this, I would smell like water or like kind of like the ocean, and I love that smell. But you can barely smell this, so I just spray it everywhere. It's like $5. This is good. Actually good. I don't want to use this one. My replica one. It smells nice. This one smells nice too. Ocean smells for the win. For the win. My feet hurt from yesterday.
Okay, so
again, these contexts don't define.
Class at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. right now. And this is my dinner. I ordered like crab, sushi, and some karaage. I shared with my siblings. And it's currently 10 p.m. for my dinner. Yay! Hello, today it's Thursday. It's around 7:30 a.m. I'm out early because I have to go to the city for something. Then after that, I'm going to my admin law class and then I'm going to study after. But I've been really tired this whole week because I've been sleeping early, but like I've had to like wake up at like 6 a.m. for like the past few days. And I'm so tired. But after today, there's gonna be like a long weekend because there's like public holidays on Monday and Tuesday. So after today, I'm probably gonna rest on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And I'm gonna have like the rest of that time to catch up on anything that I missed. Because I thought I had to do my admin lecture. I did it last night, but like turns out it was for next week. So I didn't have to do it. But I ended up like sleeping at like 12 p.m.-ish and I woke up at like 6 a.m. And basically this is my outfit for today. It's just a normal, I guess, whatever you call this, pants. I'm gonna wear some black boots. This is cute. I'll probably wear like a lace shirt inside. But I do like pink. This is like another pink shirt. I think I like this. This is like super cute too. It's like really flowy because it's like none of my size left. But I really like the flowiness and it looks super cute. I'm gonna get this too.
about okay, he goes and lives at his wife's village. You can't even do that. So if you had a home where justification could include the more specific areas.